Hello everyone. Today I'm going to read a book, Why Don't Birds Comb Their Hair? Written by Suchi Govindarajan, illustrated by Anjura Naronaha, published by Pratham Books. Why don't birds comb their hair? Why don't bulbuls comb their hair? It looks like a little wave. If I had a bulbul's hair, I would wear clips. Why don't hoopoes comb their hair? It looks like a frilly fan. If I had a hoopoe's hair, I would push it back with a pan. Why don't spoonbills comb their hair? It looks like an old paintbrush. If I had a spoonbill's hair, I would plait it all together. Why don't monarchs comb their hair? It looks like a tiny broom. If I had a monarch's hair, I would tie it up with ribbons. Why don't fish owls comb their hair? It looks like two furry worms. If I had a fish owl's hair, I would make two ponytails. Why do drongos comb their hair? It looks like a messy mop. If I had a drongo's hair, I would oil it up well and brush it down. Why don't hornbills have hair to comb? They look like they are wearing helmets. If I had a hornbill's helmet, I would ride around all day. Why don't vultures have any hair? They look so bald. If I had a vulture's head, I would never have to comb my hair. So in this story, we have learned about all these birds. Meet the birds that have funny hair. Red-whiskered bulbul, common hoopoe, Great Indian hornbill, racket-tailed drongo, Eurasian spoonbill, brown fish owl, Himalayan monal, Indian vulture. Now the question is, do birds really have hair? Some birds look like they have hair on their heads, but their hair is not like ours. Instead, each hair is just a very thin feather. A group of such feathers is called a crest. Crests are useful in many ways. They make birds look attractive. Some birds can open and fold their crests to send signals to other birds. Some open their crests when they want to frighten away other birds and animals. The furry worms on the owl's head are called ear tufts. They are not really ears, just bits of skin covered with feathers. These help owls hide more easily, making them look like they are part of a tree. The ear tufts also help them look attractive to other owls or scary to other birds and animals. The hornbill's helmet. The hornbill's helmet is also called a casque, rhymes with mask. Like ear tufts and crests, casques make hornbills look good. This helps them find mates. A hornbill's casque also makes its beak stronger. With a strong beak, hornbills can pick and eat fruits more easily. Thank you so much.